Welcome back to our channel. This is Mitch Ella coming at you again from LAX with a Corvette. We are doing the top 10 things to do in this city. I'm yelling because it's a little windy today, but our number one stop is gonna be In-N-Out, where you can see planes taking off. I'm so stoked. This is just the first stop of the day, so make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Be counting down the top 10 things to do, and I said this is number one because we're going backwards, guys. Before you leave LA, you need to stop at the In-N-Out, specifically this one on your way to the airport, because you can see planes taking off in the background. It's like I planned it, but we're gonna take a burger inside and then we're gonna count down, take you all over the city. But I'm excited for this In-N-Out. It's supposed to be famous here. Let's get. Not only is there no parking, but there is nowhere to sit. We have one burger.
Package secured.
Package secured. Yeah, we got one burger. We're ready to share it out front. What a sight to see. How California of us to get this in at the beginning of our day, but there's a lot more to see. So we're gonna eat this on the road in our Corvette and make our way to the next number 9. We made it back to the car. We've officially got our first parking ticket that's truly expensive in California.
$93 US.
Ruh-roh.
It was my fault.
But the burger though, we ate half of it on the way. We didn't even make it to the car. Sorry guys, but it's delicious. It really tastes like In-N-Out. Do we have any fans? Leave it in the comments down below. Where's my microphone? I need a makeshift microphone. Hello, this is your weather girl, Ella. It is sunny and 75 degrees in LA today. It is Monday and we are traveling without the top on of the Corvette in downtown LA. We're making our way to the Chinese Theater and the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Of course, these are on your to-do list, and we'll be taking you driving around on this gorgeous day, showing you everything you need to do in LA. We already saw a couple Hollywood films taking place. We're driving down the main area.
And then Mitch sees his dream car.
Disney. Oh, dream cars. Oh my gosh, that's my car.
T-shirts and shot glasses as low as $5.
And welcome to the Chinese Theater. Okay, we popped out really quick. We got the Corvette behind me, but welcome to the Chinese Theater and the Hollywood Walk of Fame. And we got Spider-Man. Don't forget Spider-Man. All kinds of things going on. If you come to Hollywood, you know you gotta come to the Walk of Fame. All these famous people built into the sidewalk and the Chinese Theater for the movie premieres. But we gotta get here. Oh, you want some action? You're supposed to tell him to like and subscribe. Okay, he doesn't talk, but we're off to the next destination. I'm secretly a real estate girly, and I never watched reality TV until I met this man. And then, of course, the infamous Selling Sunset came out. We're from Seattle. And we are about to go by the Oppenheimer group. So if you're a fan of the show, you gotta do a drive-by. You gotta check it out. Right there. Wow, are they working? Are they in there? Are they in their crazy outfits? I need to see the outfits.
Wow. How do you like them apples? To Mitch Ella. So we're on Sunset Boulevard. One of the cool things you can do here while being in California, you know, the 10 things to do was look at all the supercars. I love cars. Look at all these. So this is a dealership right here. I love it. You gotta look at this yellow. It's so crazy. Of course, there's a red one too, but you're gonna see these all over. So a good thing is just car spotting. That is an awesome thing to do. Go to the Hollywood Hills, go to Sunset Boulevard, Rodeo Drive. You'll see them all over. They'll be parked. There'll be a couple of dealerships. I think that's an awesome thing to do. It's exciting and it makes you feel like, woo, cool cars, expensive.
This video is going to be 50% stopping on the side of the road, but I don't care. We don't care. We got the Corvette, but look what we found. Can we see it? There it is, Beverly Hills sign. I can't believe we're here. Are you guys ready to go to Rodeo Drive, get our shopping on? Honey, are you ready? Yeah. He's ready. Let's go. How do you know you made it to Rodeo Drive? Nothing but these kinds of cars everywhere. Expensive purses, luxury
cars,
stores.
Ferraris, bro.
Okay, let's spin you around. You guys gotta see this.
You recommend them coming down to Rodeo Drive? Yes.
Honey, do you recommend them coming down to
Yes,
Rodeo Drive?
You should come down to Rodeo Drive.
Yeah, it's an experience. Just to walk it, even if you're not shopping, the experience,
It's
the
beautiful.
window shopping.
It's gorgeous.
It's beautiful, well maintained. It's supposed to be one of the new, no, not one of the new things. I saw on somebody else's YouTube video when I was researching is that this was like the OG outdoor luxury mall, and that's why it's so famous. But now you can find them recreated all over the world and explore those. But this is the OG, you gotta come here. Okay, so we did a loop-de-loop on Rodeo Drive, and now Mitch reminded me, we have not been doing the countdown at all. So we're almost to the 5th item, Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills, all the car spotting, exotic cars, Walk of Fame, Chinese theater. We're whipping through them, but we're down to number 5, which is going to be the Griffith Observatory, which is one of the best spots to see all of LA. We're driving there. It's how many miles away?
10 miles.
It's 10 miles
From
away.
Rodeo
And
Drive.
how long will it take us?
50 minutes.
50 minutes. Now, welcome to California traffic. Welcome to Griffith Park. This is not the observatory, honey. We gotta keep driving. But we went through some emotional figuring out. Oh, I think I see it up in the hill. What am I saying? It's a long day. We woke up really early for our flight, and I have eaten other than eating my burger today. But we were like, oh my gosh, we got 5 minutes left. It closes at 5. And then we realized, oh my gosh, it's Monday. It's totally already closed for the day. So we'll see if we can get as close as possible for you guys to see the view. Gotta love a good tunnel. Oh, here comes why we got the bad guy.
Cars. It's so easy to write car jokes.
Like we said, welcome to the observatory. Unfortunately today it's closed, but we're on a drive-by exclusively. So it's behind me in the distance. Then you can see all of LA, a little bit through the smog, but in the distance you can see the Hollywood sign, which we are going to next. So we're gonna hop back into the car. But if you were coming here for the day, you know you found a good tourist spot when there's buses everywhere carting tourists here.
Hey bro, I got a fancy car. You got a diamond ring.
And a Hollywood sign. We've made it to, I want to say 3, maybe 4. The Hollywood signs behind me. There's some fencing to stop traffic. So the key to this is that if you map to the Hollywood sign, I hear it doesn't actually go there. It takes you on some weird routes, and the neighborhoods are crazy to drive through. We just went through some loop-de-loos and really, really narrow streets. So if you're uncomfortable with that, maybe it's not the best route, but we made it to, I want to say Lake Hollywood Park, which is a great place to view the sign. Can you see through the fencing? But it's in the distance. I'll pan for you guys so you can see it too. But definitely the most iconic thing to see in LA.
Head west toward Coral Drive.
Welcome to number 3. We're at Universal Studios. Oh my gosh. We're actually coming here tomorrow. We're coming to review the new Nintendo Land, so we're super excited. Not today, but if you are in LA, you need to come to Hollywood. Universal Studios Hollywood. It's one of the best things to do here. We love theme parks, and if you're just like us, even wandering around, even if you don't ride any of the rides, it is an attraction. So this is number 3. We still have 2 more. The sun's going down, but it's still like 69 and beautiful and sunny and California. All right, let's get to number 2 and 1.
Universal Studios Hollywood, obviously we're in Hollywood, that's why it's called that, is one of the best theme parks because it's so centrally located to the city. It's just absolutely right here. It's very convenient.
Yeah, it was even 5 seconds from that sign. We drove like some back roads and we popped out right at Universal, so amazing. It's a little bit colder than the last scene. The clouds have come in, but we're trying to catch somewhat of a sunset at the Santa Monica Pier. That is number 2 of things you should do. There's plenty of rides, things to eat, and we have not eaten since we split a burger earlier, so we're going to get some fish tacos from the infamous tourist spot Bubba Gump's that you can find everywhere. But we're gonna get into the tourist feels just like you guys should. So make sure you make it to the Santa Monica Pier. We're gonna walk around for you, and there's still 1 left. We'll see if we make it there. We're running out of daylight.
Back to the Mitch Ella Co. I used to come here all the time, Santa Monica Pier. This is the end of Route 66, pretty cool. We've been on the Route 66, we've driven all of Route 66, I think twice now, maybe once or twice. That being said, look at the water behind us. It's cold, it's very cold. It's not what you think it is, but Baywatch was filmed here, slow running. That being said, we also have the amazing little arcade for the kiddies. I've ridden the roller coaster. I don't know how much it is now, but it used to be like $12 a ride. It's probably like 25 now, who knows. But yeah, it's a great place to bring your kids and to finish a day. Actually, I'd probably come here in the middle of the day. That's probably good when it's warmer. But it does have a vibe at night, and then during the summer months it is pretty cool. And if you've never been, you should definitely come here. So we're gonna actually wrap it up. We're gonna get back in the Corvette and drive just a little bit, about 8 minutes to Venice Beach where all the crazies are. And because it's the top 10 things to do on Mitch Ella Co. Okay, last stop of the trip, of the field trip. This is very famous, Venice Beach. It's where all the crazy people come. They've done maybe a little bit better job of cleaning it up, I'm not sure. It's famous because you should come here during the day. We made it towards the end of the day because they have Gold's Gym here, where Venice Beach, you can Muscle Beach, you can work outside, which is a really cool deal. As a skate park, has tons of people rollerblading, little shops, all these things you can see down here. Of course, it has the palm trees. So this is the last stop. I'm not sure if Ella did this right and this is the best stop, but I know this is the last stop of the day. Venice is cool. It's cool. It's not the cleanest. It's cool. Definitely worth it because it's nearby everything. Again, this is 8 minutes away from Santa Monica Pier, which you definitely should go to Santa Monica Pier. So that being said, definitely a cool space to check out. My favorite of the whole day, I like the Hollywood Hills. That's pretty cool. If you can go to Universal Studios, amazing. Yes. I probably like the cool car and the In-N-Out. That's probably my favorite.
Okay, we're gonna wrap up the video here, guys. So we went to 10 of the most popular places in Hollywood in the LA area. Like Mitch said, Universal Studios cannot be missed. We will be there tomorrow all day long, taking you along with us. But overall, each one of these stops could have been expanded on. You could have hiked up to the Hollywood sign or the observatory deck, or shopped in Rodeo Drive, all those things. So we just did quick things along the way for your entertainment. So you make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you at Super Nintendo World tomorrow.